Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a guitar tutorial for you and I'm excited about it because I've never done one of these before. It's a little break from my normal stuff like bamboo and whatever else it is I've been doing lately. Anyway, the song is called Where Are You Now by Calum Scott. He's got a hip-hoppy version and then an acoustic version. This is the acoustic version. Are the chords exactly the same? Are the finger picking patterns exactly the same? Is everything exactly the same? No, but it's really close. It's really close. Yeah, and the chords are the same enough that you can play along with the version on when you're listening to it on Spotify, and it sounds great. So this is my rendition of it. I hope you like it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break this song down for you. It's in a big overall sense, so you can kind of get a picture of what the song looks like. The song is broken down into 8 16 measure sections, bookended by an 8 measure intro and an 8 measure ending. So 10 sections all total, but 8 major 16 measure sections, except section 2 of those 8 sections has 18 measures. So there's a couple measures of silence at the end of section 2. But anyway, so 8 16 bar sections bookended by an 8 measure intro and an 8 measure ending. Now, there are 3 strumming patterns in this song, and they're all pretty similar. Well, 2 of them are very similar anyway. So the first strumming pattern is like this. Bum, 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 like this. That's the first one. It's just a finger picking pattern. You're hitting the bass note with your thumb, and then your bass, bum, bass, bum, bass, bum, bass, like that. The second strum pattern is the same almost, but instead of hitting a bass note with your thumb, you strum. So strum, bum, strum, bum, strum, bum, strum, bum, strum, like that. And then the last strumming pattern is a rhythmic pattern, and it's like this. It's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? Like this. Now, if you notice, my hand is constantly going like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. My hand's just constantly moving like this when I'm strumming. You just don't always hit the strings on every up and down, right? Otherwise, it would sound like this. Right? So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Right, so there are the 3 strumming patterns in this song. Now, the intro gets this strumming pattern. Bum, 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 bum. And the first 16 bar section also gets that pattern. Like that. The second 16 bar section gets the strum bum bum. Like that. The third and the fourth 16 bar sections get the rhythmic strumming pattern. The down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then section 5 is kind of a repeat. And section 6 is. And then sections 7 and 8, again, are the rhythmic pattern. Okay, and then the 8 bar ending is, again, the bass bum bum. So. Like that. So, those are the strum patterns. Now, let's talk about the chords in this song. There are, I think, 5 chords that I use regularly. The first one is E minor. Now, since there's a capo on, it's not actually an E minor, but if there was no capo on, this would be the E minor pattern. So an E minor, a B minor, a C, and a D. Now, I call that the sad D, right? This is actually a D. But this is a variation of a D. I call it a sad D. So It's really easy. If you start out on a regular C and you slide up 2 frets, like that, that's the sad D. So C, sad D. Now, the other chord I use in this song is an A minor 7, which is this one. And then I also use a variation of the C, which is a C with the G in the bass. So it's like this, but I put this finger up here on the G and this finger here. So now I got a regular C pattern right there with this finger on the bass. So that allows me to strum all 6 strings. And then I can play the sad D with that same fingering like this. So you see me using sometimes this C in the song, and sometimes this C in the song, and sometimes this D, this sad D, and sometimes this sad D. So just pay attention to what I'm doing, you'll see. But use your own imagination and your own originality when you're playing the song as well, right? And so everything I do is going to be kind of off this cheat sheet I've been showing you in this song, except I'm going to change up one thing. Let's see if you can figure out where I changed it up. All right, here's how it goes. I'm going to try not to sing much so you don't have to be tortured, but I'm going to sing a few words so you know where I am in the song. And I'm going to play a little bit slowly so you can follow along easily. Okay, here we go. You're just like my favorite song going round, round my head. 5 days on the freeway, riding shotgun with you. You're just like my favorite song. Like my favorite song. Hey, it's been too long ago, my love. You're just like my favorite song. Hey, it's been too long ago, my love. And there you have it. That's it. I hope you found that enjoyable and useful. I'm sorry about my singing. Terribly sorry. And I did want you to notice on the bum bums when I was doing the bass bum bum bass bum bum and strum bum bum, sometimes I didn't hit the same bum bum, you know, like I went. really doesn't matter what bum you hit as long as you're playing the chord correctly. So use your originality, use your imagination, take what I've given you and, you know, kind of make it your own. But that's my rendition of the song. And like I said, it's pretty close to what Calum Scott does. You can actually play right along with him. So as long as you have your capo on the 2nd fret. So anyway, have a great day. If you liked this tutorial and the effort I put into it, you could subscribe if you wanted to. But honestly, I don't care if you do or not. But, you know, I will tell you, I make videos about, you know, my bamboo grove in the backyard. Sometimes my kid does a Lego review. Sometimes we go on rock hunts, and once in a while I get a product and I'll review it. So, you know, feel free to subscribe. I would love it if you did. But if you don't, well, life goes on. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.